Good massive viewers, this is Trend Media View, and this program is Trend Conversation. You are new to this program, you are new to this channel, kindly like, share, and subscribe. And again, do not forget to hit the notification bell. With me is the Vanguard newspaper. We are looking at the major issues trending in Nigeria and globally. This is actually Michael. Before I look at the insecurity in Nigeria, allegation coming from Zamfara state government that federal government is secretly negotiating with bandits, let me quickly ask you about the issue concerning Atiku and Mr. President Senator Armed Bola Tinubu. We understand that the magistrate court before now gave an order asking Chicago State University to release Mr. President's academic record, including his transcript, his acceptance letter, and others. But before he knew it, Mr. President legal team rushed to district court, asking court to protect his privileges, and that yesterday we understand that his legal team made a plea that his transcript should not be released, and secondly, his gender should not be released. What is your immediate reaction, Mr. Chinedu?
I've said it before, the way the President Tinubu and his legal team are going about the issue of Chicago State University, it shows that there are a lot of things that Nigerians need to know about Tinubu's relationship or educational relationship with Chicago State University. The way he is trying to, shade some. I think it's a court thing. They should allow the court, if the matter is already in the court, you understand, they should allow the court do the needful. I've never seen a situation where somebody claims that he went to a particular institution, though the school some time ago said that Tinubu went to Chicago University, that Tinubu was their student. Then, the same person that they said he went to Chicago University, another person said no. What you have in Chicago University or in your certification or in your document is quite different from what people are talking about. Let us see. And somebody is going to court and challenge, okay, compel the court. Since the school doesn't want to release it, let the court. It's just like you went to primary school, so and so school, and something happened, and maybe you lost your certificate. If you go to the same school, they will just go to the archive there or to the database, then take your record, get whatever documents for you. So far, you actually schooled there. That is what. I don't know why this thing should be generating a lot of things. You understand? This is the same matter some time ago that the late Gani Adams was trying to unveil. But somehow along the line, they said that Tinubu enjoys immunity and the matter cannot continue. But this time around, the same thing. The U.S. court they are waiting for the U.S. court now to do the needful. Compares Chicago State University. Since they are reluctant, the university itself is reluctant to release Tinubu's academic record. Then, I want to say, if the court says release Tinubu's academic record, whether the school will say no.
No, the issue is not about whether the school will obey the court order. The issue is that Tinubu have right of appeal to district court, and he have asked district court to reverse that judgment and protect his privilege and release only the certificate itself and prevent the institution from releasing his gender, his transcript, and some other documents. Now, do you think Atiku is asking for too much? Asking for the man's admission letter, asking for his acceptance letter, asking for. Do you think Atiku is asking for?
Atiku is never asking. Atiku just want to put everything on the record and let everything be very clear and let this matter at least for once be put to rest. But going to court now to say that certain details about your document, your certificate should not be made public. You're a public figure. how do you not? How do you, I mean, it means there is something hidden. There is definitely. I've said it before. There is a damaging error. Nigerians are sensing. The world is sensing that there is a damaging error, either made by Tinubu himself or Tinubu himself has compromised his academic details with record with Chicago State University. That is a clear fact. So Atiku is in order. We are waiting for the court, the judge to do the needful. I know that this is not. It's not like Nigeria. US is not Nigeria, where the judiciary can be manipulated or where the judiciary can be compromised or even greased. So that is where people believe the rule of law works. But here in Nigeria, nobody is going to go there and start bribing in US. So they are going to make it public. Maybe after this one now, after they have ordered the school to make it public, maybe Tinubu should also prepare to go to Supreme or a higher court to see whether they will stop them from knowing whether the person that went to that school is a man or a female, is a male or a female.
No, he's even asking the institution, asking the court to compare the institution not to release his gender.
Hey, why are you saying gender? That's what I'm saying now. We don't know whether you or something happened or there was a mix-up somewhere where Tinubu was misrepresented. So why is it? I think the court is trying to protect Tinubu's interest.
No, the court have
no, that's what I'm saying.
His prayer before the court is not real.
Yes, that's what I'm saying now. What is misplaced? Do you understand what I'm saying? His prayer is a prayer to the appeal court, to the district court, to
protect his privilege.
Yes, to kind of publish all the details about himself. In that regard, is bringing problem to his personality. He should just allow the court. So far, he's sure that he's the one that went to that. He's supposed to allow the court to do the needful. So telling the district court to not to publish some details about him in that regard. I don't think is a good one.
Now, Mr. Chinedu, we are looking at another area. If you are new to this channel, you are new to this program, kindly like, share, subscribe, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell. This is Trend Media View, and this program is Trend Conversation.